Hello everyone. I'm back with a little vlog. This is my bed area where I rest. I haven't made up the bed yet. I'm going to do it now. Air the bed and everything. I'm going to show you what I'm up to now. It's Sunday morning. And I'm going to vlog throughout the day. And then I'm going to show you what one of my Sundays look like. Okay. Show you what I'm making. I'm making worteltjies and eitjies for Sunday lunch. I've julienned the carrots. I've got some frozen peas. There's the potatoes are in. Meat is soft. Salt, pepper. I do have a video of how I make this on my channel. Worteltjies and eitjies, carrot and pea stew or Irish stew, and this is mosquified course, but it's Sunday and we are listening for this food today. I've made the rice already, I've made them sly already, so everything's sorted. And check out guys, I got my new AMC dirt bin. Am I blind or can't I see? Can you see? Sky. And of course I'm doing laundry. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, we're outside. Ooh. And Opa is making his last piece of the white picket fence. And here's the garlic growing. Potje we must clean now because we want to make potje. Okay. The malva is flowering. Can you believe it? Let me show you. Look how beautiful it is. Aww. So beautiful. This we got from our neighbor, Mrs. Dean. Say hello to the people, Sunny. Show you on the other side what's growing there. Yeah, the chili's coming out. I don't know what that is. Here's the tomato. And here's the sweet peas. Jyne Sunny, ek is hier buitekant. Die pot is op die stoof. Now I can't walk fast because of my foot. Hey, frikadel. I'm coming. Pot, don't burn. Food, don't burn. I'm coming. And look at the spices here. My spice range. And of course it's Sunday morning and it's hot 104.9, but I had to switch it off because I'm doing a video. Uleki kos. You just of course the trick here is fry your onions a nice dark brown, but without burning it, and brown your meat. Look how lekker brown that is. Okay. And there's this couple of these birds, die wyfie en die mannetjie, they're building a nest. And I feed the birds as well. And I'm quite excited. I'm watching them every day. And look here, the grapevine. I must come tomorrow and start pruning. So what you do is you cut away. So you have 5 of these or 10 of these on one branch. You cut away 3 or 4 and just leave 1 on the branch. And then a few weeks later, you cut from these off. And you just let the top part grow. Sorry, you cut the ends. And once it gets bigger, the grapes, you cut in between some of the grapes out of the bunch. And this allows for a sweet sweet grape. I hope I explained it right, but I'll show you again. I don't know where they're racing to, the snails, but I'm glad I saw them. Aww. Hey, Sunny wants to play again with broken Polly. Famous Sunny. And there it is. It's going to cook until the potatoes are soft and the food is done. And then next, I'm going to sit by the table and I'm going to enjoy myself with a plate of roaches and edges and a klein beetje rice. Be right back, guys.